Push in here from rise above, and I'm here to teach you how to do a Mace 360 with a high hinge. So if you haven't seen our 360 tutorial video, I would start there, but basically we're combining our 360 with our Mace high hinge. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna start with the Mace Vertical like this. Now, I say that top hand is always gonna dictate the direction you want that mace to go. What I mean by that is take that top hand and just extend that pointer finger out to point the direction that you want the mace to go. So I'm pointing towards my left shoulder. I want that mace to go over the left shoulder for the 360. You can see that I'm still pointing left, which means I want the mace to fall into the left hand. Where at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and do my hinge, which is just, our deadlift pattern, pushing those hips back, feeling in the back of the legs, coming on back up. Mace is gonna come vertical. You're gonna take that top hand and slide it straight down. And we already know top hand pointing in the direction we wanna go. I'm now pointing towards my right shoulder, up and over my right shoulder. And you can see I'm still pointing right to drop down into my right hand for my high hinge. Now, what I tell people here is, if you don't get the finger pointing in the direction you need to, that's fine. Just make sure that if you basically take the mace and you go left, make sure the mace goes left on everything. I say this is a two-part movement. We've got the 360 going left, and the mace needs to go on the left hand. So everything goes left. And then when you come back, just make sure everything goes right, meaning right over the right shoulder, into the right hand for high hinge. Try to make it as simple as possible by keeping it left to right, or remember your direction that you're pointing with those fingers. But that's how you do your Mace 360 high hinge.